File Store is where both you and the learners can upload, organise and manage documents which can then be selected to be used in the portfolio. This will mostly be managed by the learner, but there may be occasions where you can contribute some useful information. Click on the plus icon to open folders and to see the files within them. You can see who uploaded the file, the date it was added, and an icon to show whether that file has been used in the portfolio. If your reprieve centre chooses to use the evidence type function, it will be your responsibility to add this information to the documents in the file store. At the bottom of the file store are two rows of buttons that help you manage the file store. The top row helps you manage existing files or folders, and the lower row contains buttons that allow you to add new items. To open a file, click on a file and then click on the Open File button. To rename an item, click on a folder or file and then click the Rename button. A pop-up window will appear. Enter the name of the file or folder into the text box and click the OK button. To delete an item, click on a file or folder and click on the Delete button. The file or folder will be deleted as long as it hasn't been used as portfolio evidence. To assign or change the evidence type for a file, click on a file to highlight it and then click the Evidence Type button. A pop-up window will appear with a drop-down menu containing all the evidence type options available. Select an option from the list and click the OK button. Options will only be available if your reprieve centre has chosen to use this function. To move a file from one folder to another, click on the file you want to move and then click the Move File button. A pop-up window will appear showing all the folders in your file store. Select the folder you want to move the file to and click Move. To add new files from your PC, select a folder and click the Upload Files button. A pop-up window will appear. This window allows you to add files to the selected folder. Click Select Files and the Windows dialog box will open. Find the file on your PC, select it and click Open to add the file to the Upload Files window. To create a new folder, click the Add Folder button. A pop-up window will appear. Type the name for the new folder into the text box and click Save. To add a text file to your file store, select the destination for the text file and click the Add Text File button. A pop-up window will appear. Type in a name for the text file and type or paste your text file into the text field. When you have finished, click on the Save button. To add a link to another location on the internet, select the destination folder and click the Add Web Link button. A pop-up window will appear. Type in a name for this link and type or paste the required internet link into the Link to Web Page field, then click the Save button.